Uploading a video to YouTube seems straightforward until you hit one of those "wait, why is this happening" moments. Trust me, I've been through the ringer. Let's break it down step by step so you nail it. First off, you need a YouTube account. I know, duh, right? But you'd be surprised how many people try doing this without logging in first. If you don't have one, just create a Google account. It's all tied together. Easy. Next, click that little camera icon at the top of the YouTube homepage. It looks like a tiny video camera with a plus sign. This button gets you into the upload space. Think of it like the gateway. Mistake-free so far? Cool. Now drag your carefully crafted video straight into the screen, or click Select Files to find it on your computer. This is where the magic starts, or where half the stress begins if you realize your video's not even ready. Double check. The title is crucial. Don't overthink it, but make it something people would actually click. Think concise and curiosity-provoking. Your default title 4823.mp4 won't cut it. If it would make you yawn, it'll bore everyone else too. The description section, that's your space to shine. Picture it as the back cover of a book. Add a brief summary of your video, maybe keywords people might search for, and pro tip, include timestamps if it's a longer clip. People love those. Thumbnails are the sneaky MVP here. YouTube auto-selects a few options, but honestly, they're usually trash. Upload your own custom thumbnail with bright colors, bold text, and a clear focus. Marketing 101, your click-through rate will thank you. Tags matter, but don't go nuts. Add keywords that are relevant to your content without being spammy. Tagging funny cats on your cooking tutorial might feel like a sneaky growth hack, but the algorithm will know. And your viewers will too. Here's where the nitty-gritty settings come in. Is your video for kids? If not, click no. It's not just about honesty, it also unlocks the comments section for your channel. You'd be surprised how often creators get tripped up by this. Choose your visibility. Public is self-explanatory. Private keeps it like a secret diary. Unlisted? That's like sharing a hidden key. Your friends can watch, but it won't pop up in the wild. Schedule it if you're building hype. Timing matters. After all that, click publish or schedule depending on your choice. And boom, your video's out there. Except, wait, watch it yourself once it's live. Weird glitches or bad audio? You'll catch it before others do. Trust me, always review. Pain point alert. Uploads take time, especially if your internet isn't made of lightning. If it's dragging, consider downgrading the resolution of your video or uploading overnight while you sleep. No one likes a stalled upload bar. Finally, promote the heck out of it. Post on socials, embed it in blog posts, whatever it takes for people to know it exists. You spent time creating content, make sure people get to experience it. Otherwise, what are we even doing here?